Hi everyone, my name is Miss Sam. You can find me in the Wantagh and East Yaphank locations. I'm back for another Therapy Tip Tuesday to talk about some different games and activities that I use to help promote focus during my sessions. I'm going to start with one of my favorite things, and I probably use this almost every day that I'm working, is a visual schedule. These are great because you can personalize them or keep them very general to use over and over again. So this one that I use, and I just created on a Word document, printed out and laminated, just as steps 1 through 4. So usually during our sessions, we start with our oral motor exercises. Then we go into our snack. We usually do our activity to target our goals, and then we go to the waiting room and talk to mom or dad or whoever brought us today. And a lot of my patients, when they get used to this, will actually come into the room and request the schedule to help us stay focused and get through everything that we need to get through. Usually with this, I have little stars with the Velcro on the back. So after we finish each exercise, I will have the patient put the star on and then move on to our next activity. So that's one of my favorite, is a visual schedule. The next thing that I use with some of my patients is smash mats. I do this with Play-Doh, and I usually try to keep control of this. So I usually have the Play-Doh in front of me, and I will break off little sections of the Play-Doh and give it to the patient after they've finished a word, an exercise. I also have so many, so I'll have them pick out whichever one that they want. And after they finish one thing, they'll get to pick whatever number or color they want to smash the Play-Doh on and just squish it right onto the smash mat. So that also helps with going through our exercises. Another thing that I love to use as well is dot markers. So this works awesome for articulation. You can even write their target sounds or words inside the little bubbles and have them dot marker the picture, or even do a few dot markers, just a few dots, maybe 3, and then let's do our next word or our next activity, whatever goal you're targeting. So this is also great for counting and keeping on track. Another game that is also super fun for the kids and great because you can kind of control it is Pop the Pig. So this is a great game because you have the individual burgers, so you can kind of hold them and keep control of the situation. And after they target their goals or their exercises, you can give them one of the burgers so that they can feed the pig. And then you can move on to whatever they're doing next. So this is also a great option to keep focus. One of my other games that I love is Spot It, just a simple card game. So you take the cards out and you can play this with 2 or more players. So each person gets a card that they keep and hold on to the whole time. And then another card is placed down on the table, and whoever spots the picture the fastest wins the card. So this is great. I'll usually do 3 or 2 cards between our exercises just to help with motivation and keep focus. So that's another great option. What's also important when using all of these exercises is making sure that you have control of the situation. So I always hold on to the Play-Doh when I'm using smash mats. Sometimes I'll hold on to the dot markers and ask what color they would like to use. And then Spot It, I always hold on to the deck of cards. And then same thing with the Pop the Pig, I always hold on to the burgers. So making sure that you have control of the activity to help promote focus and keep motivation during your sessions. I'd like to say happy Better Speech and Hearing Month. I will see you guys next week for another Therapy Tip Tuesday. Thank you.